Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a quiz-based marketing in a fitness brand. Suppose your fitness brand wants to engage potential clients and gain leads. Doing this manually can be very time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send quizzes and automate this whole process for us. So if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the chatbot that we have created. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let's first see how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp. We are here on my WhatsApp screen. The user is supposed to send a message to activate the chatbot. So here I'm sending a message. Suppose hello. And as soon as we send this message, our chatbot responds us with, "Hey there, want to discover the best workout plan for your fitness goals? Take this 60-second quiz and get personalized tips." I will respond them with, "Let's go." First thing first, what's your name? So here I'm responding with demo user. And it will say, "Awesome demo user. What's your primary fitness goal?" I will say, "Build muscle." "What workouts do you prefer?" So I will say, "Gym workouts." And it will respond me with, "Thanks for sharing demo user. Based on your goal and preferences, we recommend a mix of gym workouts with Pilates, focused on building muscle. We will send you more tips tailored just for you. Thanks for your time." So this is how our chatbot works. Now let's move ahead and learn how to build this chatbot. And for that, you have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you're an existing user, click on sign in, and if you're a new user, click on sign up for free. Since I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see all the apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. As you click on Access Now button, it will take you to Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. To add WhatsApp number to Pabbly Chatflow, you need to click on Add WhatsApp number and you will see two options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. When you click on Manual Token Connect, it will ask for Meta Access Token which you can generate from Facebook Meta for developers. To learn more about how to add a WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow, you can watch this video, or to learn more, you can check the description box. As you navigate on the left side of Pabbly Chatflow, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through them one by one. Firstly, Dashboard. It gives you an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next, Inbox replies to all the incoming customer conversations. Contact stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. Team Queues helps in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Templates are pre-built chatbot flows that you can use directly or customize according to your needs. Next up, we have Broadcast, which allows you to send bulk messages or announcements to multiple users at once. Next, we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot. So we are going to access Flows. To do that, click on Flows and then choose the Flows option. Here we can see total number of flows, active flows and inactive flows, and list of all the flows that we have created so far. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant. Here I am naming it as Quiz-Based Marketing. Here we can see there is a flow start box, under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which will activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of character which is used to filter specific text. To use regex, we have to use a specific format. You can use the same regex to trigger the chatbot. It will literally trigger on everything: short text, full paragraphs, or messy inputs. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Now that we are done with our basic setup, we are going to curate our first message. And for that, we will access the text button. Click on it and it will provide you a message box. Here you can enter any message you want. This is how our message will look like. We are going to add some quick replies to it, like "Let's go" and "Not now." After generating your first message, attach the flow start string with your message box. Next, we need to generate responses for these quick reply options. For "Not now," we are going to say That's okay. Some other time maybe. Have a good day. However, if the user wishes to get personalized tips, then we will ask them for their details. And for that, you need to access the action type nodes, under which there is an option to ask question. Click on it and a question box will appear in front of you. Here we are going to ask the user's name. Here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. So first we need to create a contact custom field. And to do that, first save your flow. Go to the settings and then choose this third option to create contact custom field. Here are some default contact custom fields under which there are some contact custom fields that we can create. To create a customized field, click on add one more field and here you can add your field name and your field description and you're good to go. Save your field and then you can go back to your flows. Here I have already created some contact custom fields. So I'm going to select name from the drop down. And then we are going to select format and here I'm going to select text. Here we have number of attempts that the user can give and here is validation message. We are going to leave this empty. You can give multiple attempts to the user if you want. Again, we are going to connect this quick reply with our question box. Once the user has responded us with their name, then we are going to create another message. So here I'm adding awesome $name. What's your primary fitness goal? Here you can see that I have added a $sign next to the name. This will get replaced by the user's actual name. Here we will give them some quick reply options like lose weight or build muscle or stay active. Once we have provided the user with quick replies, we are going to curate another message. For that, access the text button again and add it here. Next, we will ask them what type of workouts do you prefer. And here we are going to give them some quick reply options like gym workouts or yoga or Pilates. Now we are going to attach all of the replies. Now we are going to attach all of these quick responses with this message box. And then we are going to access text button again to curate another response. And here I'm adding, thanks for sharing name. Based on your goals and preferences, we recommend a mix of gym workouts with Pilates focused on building muscle. We will send you more tailored tips just for you. Thanks for your time. And this is how we have completed our chatbot for quest-based marketing in a fitness club. Once completed, you can save your flow from here and then you're good to go. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.